Hey everybody, John Prado. Today is construction build day number 13. Day 13 has actually, a day and a half. You see, I'm out of the jigs now and into our regular stand because I've been gluing the internal fillets of the fins. So all three fins are in the body tube. They were tacked with CA, and then there's fillets. And like I said before, there's 12 internal fillets, 3 fins times the inner and the outer, that's 12. And then we'll be doing external fillets on each side of the fin, so it's another 6. A total of 18 fillets with West System epoxy with Kevlar. This stuff here is Kevlar pulp. And if you look up the scientific papers, you'll see that mixing the Kevlar pulp into the epoxy increases the tensile strength significantly. And so we mix that in, and you can see that the fillets are going. I think there's 2 left internally. And then after that, I can put the centering ring into the aft side of the body tube, and it's basically done with that. And then we'll start the external fillets of epoxy on the fins, which is longer because they have to look pretty. So we have to glue those on and then grind them down so they look nice, and put Bondo on them and make them look like that rocket over there where we spent a lot of time. So everything's moving along nicely. Today is January 16th, and there's football games on, lots of football games. And I'm going back and forth between the garage and waiting for the epoxy to dry, which West System at 105 hardener is a 12-hour cure. And it sets up in about 3 or 4 hours so I can get to the next sections. But also consideration is the weather. And it's a little chilly outside, so I like to do the epoxying more in the day. And right now it's about 3 in the afternoon, and it's diving down into the 50s now, so it's getting a little cold for epoxy. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks.